Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Open a terminal or system info app with admin permissions so tools report full details. Query the OS version, kernel, and build to know which commands will work. Check basic hardware counts, CPU cores, RAM size, and storage layout. This matters because some tools require specific kernel features. Once done, export or save raw outputs to a file so you can reference them during deeper inspection. Now you move into detailed inspection steps that reveal configuration nuances. Run hardware and network enumerators like LSCPU, LSBLK, LSBCI, and IPEdr. On Windows, use Device Manager and DXDiag. Verify driver and firmware versions so you can spot incompatibilities. Gather system logs via DMESC or Journoctl or Event Viewer on Windows, and include timestamps to correlate events. Make sure to capture module lists and loaded services. These finish by validating and documenting the configuration so you can reproduce or fix problems. Compare active runtime settings with persistent configuration files or registry entries to catch drift. Run targeted diagnostics and lightweight benchmarks to confirm performance aligns with specs. Export the final report and store it with timestamps and command history. If something goes wrong, make sure to revert to a known good snapshot or restore from backup. This single tip often prevents lost time and lets you iterate safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.